Becoming licensed as a professional engineer takes dedication. Having a PE after your name signals to employers and clients that you have competence in your field, and it helps set you apart from your competition. The National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying administers the exams and keeps records of those engineers who are licensed. If you plan on taking this exam, or are already registered at the NCEES site for the next testing date, the SFPE Professional Engineer Exam Review course is the best way to successfully prepare for this exam. The review course gives you the opportunity to learn directly from experts in various specialties in fire protection engineering across 13 live 1.5-hour sessions offered twice a week. You can attend either live session or both. We offer each at a different time for your convenience, or you can always catch the recorded session later. Come across something in the lecture that you need some further explanation on? Office hours are available every few weeks, giving you a chance to talk with your instructors for clarification. This course also provides practice exams for each topic to help you use your study time effectively. This course is also eligible for up to 23 hours of professional development hours. What do people say about our course? Here are just a few of the quotes that we've received from our participants in a post-course survey. And finally, this review course can help you effectively prepare for the exam. To learn more about the schedule and to register for the course, go to sfpe.org and click on Events and Education in the top menu. On the far right, you will see the PE Exam Review link. We hope to see you in class.